Number 1.
1998 Chevrolet S10, price $5,300, well-preserved pickup with only 114,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5-speed manual transmission paired with the desirable 4.3L Vortec V6 engine, offering a strong and reliable driving experience. The truck comes in a black exterior complemented by a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Originally from Texas, this truck had only one owner before the current owner and has been carefully maintained throughout its life. Because it has never been exposed to snow and has always been garage kept, the vehicle remains very clean both inside and out. It is also equipped with a Flowmaster exhaust, giving the truck a deeper and more distinctive sound. This Chevrolet S10 would make an excellent addition to a collection or could simply be enjoyed as a dependable daily driver.
The title is in hand, making it ready for its next owner. Number 2.
1991 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000, well-maintained classic pickup that offers a straightforward and engaging driving experience. This truck features a 5.7L V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering dependable performance and a more connected feel behind the wheel. Finished in gray, this single-cab long bed configuration highlights its traditional heavy-duty pickup design while providing practical bed space for hauling and everyday utility. The truck has 150,000 miles on the odometer and has been kept in rust-free condition, reflecting careful ownership over the years. Overall, this 1991 Chevrolet 2500 stands out as a very well-kept and enjoyable truck to drive, combining classic V8 power, a manual gearbox, and a clean, solid body that makes it appealing for enthusiasts or anyone looking for a reliable vintage pickup.
Number 3.
1998 Ford F150, price $6,990, clean and well-maintained pickup that highlights the simplicity and durability of late 90s trucks. This particular truck has 165,000 miles, is equipped with a rare 5-speed manual transmission, and is powered by the reliable 4.6L Triton V8 gasoline engine. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and straightforward appearance. The truck runs, drives, and shifts smoothly through all gears exactly as it should. For a 1998 model, it remains extremely clean and well-preserved, with no warning lights on the dashboard. It retains its original, simple interior features including vinyl flooring for easy cleanup, crank windows, an AM/FM radio, and even the factory ashtray, reflecting the practical design of trucks from this era. Additional equipment includes a bedliner to protect the bed and a tow hitch with a factory tow package, making it ready for hauling or work duties. This truck has had only 2 owners and has never been involved in an accident. It also comes with a clean Ohio title.
Number 4.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, with approximately 100,000 miles is being offered. The truck comes with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and features a blue exterior paired with a blue interior. This pickup has recently received new paint matched to the original factory color code, maintaining its classic look. It is powered by a 5.7L TBI engine equipped with a Cayenne cold air intake, paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. The exhaust system has also been upgraded, featuring true dual exhaust with long tube headers, brand new high-flow catalytic converters, and Cherry Bomb Extreme mufflers connected to a 2.5-inch exhaust system, giving the truck a stronger sound and better airflow.
Number 5.
1990 GMC 1500, price $9,800, with only 54,000 original miles is being offered in very nice condition. This classic pickup is equipped with a 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it features a single-cab long bed configuration. The truck comes finished in a white exterior with a blue interior. According to the seller, this is a one-owner truck, and the mileage is believed to be original. For a vehicle that is now 36 years old, it remains very solid overall. The driver's side rocker panel shows some rust, and the passenger side cab corner has a small rust spot, which is typical for trucks of this age. Aside from those minor areas, the rest of the truck is described as very solid and well-preserved. Overall, it presents as a well-kept example of a classic GMC pickup, making it a great option for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a dependable vintage truck.
Number 6.
1996 Ford F150, price $10,000, well-maintained pickup that shows careful ownership over the years. It has 188,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck also features 4WD, making it capable for a variety of driving conditions. The body is in great condition and has clearly been well cared for. The paint has been redone from the original color and presents very well, giving the truck a clean and refreshed appearance. There is no rust, which is a strong point for a truck of this age. Inside, the black interior remains in great condition with no notable issues to report. The truck is configured as a single cab with a long bed, offering practical utility in the classic F-150 work truck look.
Number 7.
1996 Ford F-150, price $8,000, equipped with a 302 V8 engine and a 4x4 drivetrain, showing just under 183,000 miles on the odometer. This truck has been owned by the same owner for over 8 years, during which it has received consistent care and regular maintenance. Service records have been carefully documented and kept in a paper file. Powered by the well-known 5.0L V8, this F-150 delivers solid performance and the capability expected from a classic four-wheel drive pickup. While there is some rust visible on the quarter panels and tailgate, the truck remains structurally solid and continues to run strong. Overall, it stands as a reliable and well-cared-for example of a classic F-150 that is ready to keep working for years to come.
Number 8.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $3,550. It has traveled approximately 150,000 miles and continues to run and drive great. It is powered by a 3.0-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a reliable balance of power, efficiency, and driver engagement. This configuration is well known for its durability and makes the truck a solid choice for both everyday driving and light-duty work. The truck features a blue exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look inside and out. It also comes with the desirable stepside bed, which adds a distinctive sporty style while still providing practical cargo space. The out-the-door price includes tax, title, tag, and registration, making the purchasing process simple and convenient with no hidden surprises.
Number 9.
1984 GMC 1500, price $8,500. The truck features a swapped cab along with other body panels that have been replaced using clean OEM components, helping maintain a factory-correct appearance. While the box sides are aftermarket replacements, the tailgate remains original to the truck. The truck has received several improvements, including new cabin box mounts with fresh bushings, and the front end has been fully gone through. It also sits on brand new 31-inch tires, giving it a strong and ready-to-drive stance. Power comes from a fairly stock 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 404-speed transmission, a durable and well-known drivetrain combination. Additional updates include a new radiator and wiper motor, along with a completely brand new interior, making the cabin clean and refreshed.
Number 10.
2000 Chevrolet 3500, price $4,500. This 2WD truck is equipped with the powerful 7.4L big block V8 and has had only 2 owners. The truck is described as a solid project or work truck. It currently needs some mechanical attention, as it is believed to have a stuck lifter and old fuel in the system, and the brakes require bleeding. Because of this, it is recommended that the truck be towed, although it is reportedly capable of being driven home if necessary. Despite the mechanical issues, the truck stands out for its excellent structural condition. The body has zero rust, and the frame is exceptionally clean for its age. Inside, it features a leather interior, and the Connecticut title is in hand, making the paperwork ready for transfer.